What's your boy, Flisss, and I'm back with another video. And for this video, we're going to make it short and sweet. You can tell from the title, too. I don't even got to explain too much, but we looking for a little baddie, you know what I'm saying, Rizz up. You know what I'm saying, get the number, you know what I'm saying, tap in with your boy, subscribe and all that other shit. We going to boom and get straight into it. I ain't going to flag out. Alright, that be recording. Alright, you know they be trying to give a nigga hella dudes and shit, so we gonna just troll and shit until we find a little brizzle. We find a little brizzle. Then, you know what I'm saying, we gonna make it shizzle, shake, bang. Okay. Oh, okay. We gonna let them skip that bit though. You feel me? Type shit, you feel me? Like that. I don't feel like touching the phone, that bitch set up the right way. Okay, good skill, good skill. Look, 46, another nigga, man. Hey, I mixed this bit the perfect way though, I ain't gonna lie to you. I did mix this bit the perfect way though. The light ain't doing no justice in my opinion, but that bit makes the perfect way, no cow. We a minute in. That bit there makes perfect, like apple juice. Little decent compliment. Apple peach, peach apple. If you know, you know. Man, we damn near gonna run into it. There ain't no females on this bed. It's Friday, them females is not on this bed. It's Friday, ain't no females on this, man.
Yep, I'm going to kill myself.
Javar, you can't. Damn it, I'm chuckling, giggling at that shit. I shouldn't even be doing that. Okay then. Appreciate it. No, I'm in college, cuz. I'm in college. Then there's something like that.
Because I get paid like that.
What, you streaming? Oh, damn, but I was finna ask the question, though. I was gonna ask the question, though. Man, bro, I'm sorry, you too, but y'all, hey, man, I gotta go through it. Y'all gotta go through it, too, man.
Shut your ass up.
What, me, fuck, nigga?
I'll kill this ass.
Do it, fuck, nigga.
Murder, kill. Fuck you. You fucking N-word.
That was funny. That was funny, ain't gonna lie. Okay, then, let's see. What's up?
I'm just chilling.
Same old. This the first female I got in like an hour.
Yeah.
Tell me about it. You from, what did they say, Oklahoma City?
Mm-hmm.
That's Cali? Or I'm tripping?
No, Oklahoma City's in Oklahoma.
Oh shit, damn, that was tight shit. How you doing though?
I'm doing pretty good. Just bored. How about you?
Trying to make some content, that's all. Whole time, my screen, my shit look a little blurry, huh? Let me try to wipe that bit off, see if it helps. Oh, it look a little better. Can't cap, or I'm tripping.
I think it was calm before, but you good.
Tight shit. What you do though? You actually 18?
I'll be 19 in a month.
Oh wait, what day?
The 9th.
Oh, tight shit.
Mm-hmm.
Guess what mine is? Same one.
14th.
That's for 1 day though. Nah, the 20th.
Why was that the other answer I was thinking? I was like, it's the 14th or the 20th.
Yeah. Little valid, little V-Day. Okay then. Damn, what she had sent me. But yeah, I'm just trying to make some comment and shit. I finally got a female. Rate me 1 through 10. Jeez.
I don't know how to think. I like doing that.
Oh, you don't? I'm not gonna be offended. I don't care for real.
8.5.
I rate myself an 8.5 too. That's valid. Okay then. We got the same mind. Great minds think alike.
It's just because I don't know your personality fully. It could be more, it could be less, depending on your personality.
Oh, so my personality boosts that. Damn, I'm giving her a 10 then. Okay. What? How old you think? Oh, damn, they say my age. Never mind. That was a stupid question. Damn. But yeah, I'm just chill. What we eat? 5 minutes in? What you think I'm drinking on?
I don't know.
Apple juice.
That's valid. Apple juice is good as fuck.
Okay, what's your favorite drink then?
I like lemonade. Lemonade's good.
That's valid too. That's valid too. No kill. Okay. Hey, ooh, you from Oklahoma City though. I'm trying to get on Could Have Been Records. Okay. He'll be in the city soon. But bet, I'm gonna holler at you. Be smooth for sure.
Alright.
I said, oh, I was finna accept it. That bit went kind of fast and shit. We got a female though, but I ain't gonna lie, I ain't feel like trying to raise her up. Ain't even gonna cap. I did not want to raise Shorty up.
What's CNG? I was here, it's okay, me.
I was like, damn, nigga ain't finna motherfucking hang up, man. Meet two friends from Birmingham, United Kingdom. That bitch said two.
Yo, you American?
Hell yeah. Or, shit, I don't know what I am to be real.
You African American.
I don't even know if I'm that for real.
West side.
Not even. It's 239. 239 type shit, but it's just like, whoa, you feel me, little Pakistan.
Hey, Monty. Hey, Monty.
It's your birthday. We gon' party like it's your birthday. We gon' sip apple juice like it's your birthday. And we're looking up for it. It's your birthday. Okay. I knew he was gonna skip, no cap. Damn, bro. Like, that's like 1 out of like 15, 1 out of 20, bro. Shit, wow, huh? You two, y'all think we gonna run into a female, bro? Pompano? Okay, then. We ain't gonna run into no female.
Man, I'm gonna squeeze your ass.
You need to squeeze your abs.
No, I'm gonna squeeze your ass.
Do some crunches and shit, bro. For real. So he gonna come in, he's like that. Fuck no, fuck nigga, dead flies. And then they on this bit, not even on this bit. I mean, at the end of the day, though, who be on Monkey for real? I just be trying to get the content, though. Detroit, Michigan, shit. What Milwaukee at? I don't even see Milwaukee tickets. Nah, I'm a robot. What? That was so sus, bro. That was sus as hell. And then you gonna go be sus with him. Monkey see, monkey do. Y'all just gotta start copying the next person. Okay then, hold on. Okay then, what we working with? They say the 13th. I don't see no Milwaukee tickets. What going?
Yo.
You young as hell. You not even 18, is you?
I am 18. I just turned 18.
Happy belated. When you turn 18?
I turned 18 yesterday.
Yesterday? What? That's happy belated for real. Like yesterday type shit. How was your birthday?
My birthday was good. I had fun.
That's what's up. No cap. What got you on Lucky?
Bullshit.
Bullshit.
Yeah.
What you mean by that? Like, what you mean by bullshit?
There's just a lot of bullshit that's going on.
Like what though? Nigga said the 13th. This shit say May 12th. What the fuck? Nigga be capping like. But May 12th, I damn near still gonna be in what you call it. Up here type shit. But what the fuck else? Oh wait, I don't want to take. I want to audition, bitch. What the fuck? I don't know. That just fucked me up. Yeah, one of my stealer. I ain't gonna even count to you. What's up? What going on?
You look like the guy from Stranger Things. The one that played Lucas.
Damn, I feel offended.
No, she was saying that in like. No, it's just your dreads and stuff.
Oh, word.
You're not ugly.
They not dreads. They not dreads though. They twist. They.
Cute.
Oh.
Yeah, you're twist. How old are you? No, don't skip.
I wasn't. I trying to put my cut down. Type shit.
No, you trying to skip.
Oh, type shit. Type shit. I'm 22 though.
How old are you?
I'm 22.
You're 22.
How old you is?
18.
18. Oh, can they come? I bet probably can't see me. You 18?
Mhm.
What got you on Monkey?
Oh, I'm not. This ain't my account. This is hers, but we just chilling. We bored. We're looking for someone for her.
For real?
No. Yes.
Who the other person talk? They 18?
My cousin.
She 18?
No. No, I'm not 18. I'm 19.
She. You laughing? She gotta be capping. Sorry, shit.
I'm 16.
Okay, there go the truth. You looking for somebody? I'm looking for somebody too.
For real?
Yeah, you want me?
I don't think that. She wants you. She wants you. Okay. That thing she wants. I'm just bad relationships.
What you do, or what's your personal red flag that you know what I'm saying actually give off?
Whenever I get too close to somebody, I tend to pull away.
Why is that though? Before you go into anything else.
Cause people just like, you know what I'm saying. I have been like, I've trusted the wrong people all the time, like, you know what I'm saying. So after a while, you just kind of expect that shit. So it's like, okay, well, I'm gonna pull closer and I'm gonna push myself away, cause like certain shit get me like that. I don't know.
Do you think you need to get better at reading people rather than?
I think I just need to know if I'm bipolar or something, because bitch, I need an evaluation for real. I think it's just something in my mental, because I don't be feeling like that, you know. Like I feel numb.
Numb to what? Love or numb? Numb to everything or love or what?
Love mostly.
Tight shit.
And connection.
Damn, so you can't get intimate with nobody?
No, it's not I can't get intimate. It's just I try and I don't feel that.
Damn, so you can't get intimate with me? Like that shit'd be fake.
Maybe it make me feel like I'm not dead. I don't know.
So it's not even, it's Lauren saying how other people interact with you type shit.
You trying to add my snap?
Yeah, let me get your, I'll add your snap.
Yeah, you want to snap?
My shit, Flisss 51. Just give me yours. I'm finna add you right now.
Okay. Mine is Andrea Bay, but it's ONDR.
You just call me Bay? I'm just playing. Andrea. Let me see if I spell Andrea right. ANDREA?
No, ON.
Oh shit.
ONDREYA.
Bae, B-A-E.
Yeah, with 2 E's. But I sound sick as fuck right now. I'm so sorry.
Andre, I just added you.
You added me?
You see it?
Yep. Wait, what's your name?
Flisss51. Yeah, added you back.
That's your actual name. Your name is Flisss.
Oh, no, not my real name. My real name, Algerius type shit.
Oh, I like that name.
You like that?
Yeah. That's cute.
Man, I'm finna send you a snap right now, so you better snap me back.
I will.
Yeah.
All these words are just like, snap me back. Okay, I'm gonna text you.
I bet. I'll holla at y'all.
She thinks you fine.
Oh, she blushing. Oh.
No,
oh.
Turn the camera.
Alright, I'm gonna holla at you. Text me now. Hey, boy, that boy got that mouthpiece, boy. She snapped back fast as fuck, too. Yeah.
Oh, bro, what's up?
Chillin', vibing, coolin'. Toast.
Yeah.
What you doing?
What are you taking right now?
Huh?
What are you taking right now?
What I'm doing right now?
Yeah.
Shit, I'm doing a YouTube video. You on YouTube right now?
Oh, okay. I'm on YouTube right now.
Yeah.
Really? That's great.
Yeah, that's why I'm doing a YouTube video. Trying to find some females on the app. They keep
trying to find some females too.
Yeah, they keep giving me dudes, but you know what I'm saying? You on YouTube.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Well, how we 18 minutes in? Yup. 18 minutes.
Oh, okay. Cool.
So you watch my video, skip to 18 minutes, you gonna see yourself.
Sure. Alright, sure.
I bet, bro. Be smooth.
Sure. Alright, peace out.
Hey, that's all we doing now. Know what I'm saying? Know what I'm saying? Might have like 2 videos out there been so far. That other shit there, flies that's right now.
What, bro?
What happened?
What?
You do tattoo, cuz? You do tattoos?
I'm not going on.
Oh, he had the gloves on. I thought you did tattoos.
Where you from, y'all?
Florida.
I'm from Maryland.
Maryland type shit. That's smooth. That's smooth. Oh, man. I said that's smooth. I'm trying to run into some females, though, bro. Nah, yeah, I'm doing a YouTube video. You on YouTube right now. But I'm trying to motherfucking run into some females for the YouTube video.
Oh, damn, you on YouTube?
Yeah, I'm getting snaps, getting numbers, all that shit for YouTube right now.
Oh, alright. Hey, yo, be safe, y'all.
Same, be smooth.
Alright, buddy.
For sure.
Daddy, let me fucking talk.
Wow. I'm on YouTube, bro. Watch your mouth, bro. Trying to get me demonetized and shit.
Let me suck your dick, Daddy.
Sometimes you just go through some weird shit on Monkey.
I'll suck your balls.
You in Syracuse? I'll be there soon, bet.
Come fuck me, Daddy.
Oh, wow. Alright, bro. Skip this, bro. You doing too much.
I'll jerk you off.
Come on, bro. Skip, bro.
I'll watch you come.
Skip, bro.
I'll suck you so up your dick.
How about subscribe to my YouTube channel?
No. I'm gonna fuck you in your ass.
Oh, my gosh. You see what I gotta deal with?
Spread your cheeks for me, Daddy.
How about you spread yours?
I am right now.
Yo, asshole probably windy. Ah, bro, I don't get tired, bro. I thought bro was gonna skip. I ain't trying to skip. Hey, skip. There we go. Oh my gosh, bro.
Hello?
What's up? What going?
What?
What's up? What's going?
You have to get closer to your mic because it sounds more clear.
You can't hear me? Hold on, let me see if you can hear me?
I can now. But like, you're like really loud.
You could get in the, put the light on though, get in the camera and shit.
Hold on, I can't focus my eyes.
Alright, we got a little time, but I'm waiting for you to get in the camera and shit though.
What you sipping on?
I'll tell you once you get in the camera and shit.
You got Instagram?
Yeah, I do.
TikTok?
Yeah, I got all that. YouTube channel you could subscribe, all
Go to
that.
my TikTok.
I want to see you right now. Fuck all that.
No, God just got that smoking and I look retarded because I ate a lot of food and it's all over my face, I think.
I smoke too, so if we can't smoke together and you don't look cute still, then we don't even need to be conversating, so.
Can anyone hear me?
Nah, just me and you. Come on, get in the camera. You tripping, shawty.
Huh?
You tripping, get in the camera.
I'm high as fuck and you can't tell what to do.
I'm tipsy, so it don't matter. Get in the camera, you tripping.
You tripping, nigga.
Female play games, man. Just hit them and slide. They be playing too much. Okay.
I will smack you.
You can't even get in the camera. I doubt you'll slap me.
I will smack. That's why I don't want to get in the camera because I'm going to pull up on you and I'm going to smack you.
I want you to pull up on me so I can.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Man, you don't want to get in the camera. Let me see your tits. Let me see how you look, man. Because you getting on my nerves right now.
Okay, go to my TikTok.
I ain't adding. I'm not following you, adding you on TikTok.
I don't care.
Yeah, you don't gotta care because you're acting lame.
Okay, do you want my spam account or my main account?
Whichever one show the real you.
JU.
Okay.
EL.
Okay.
Z.
Okay.
30X.
30X. That's it?
Yeah. You have a brother up there? Don't skip that.
What?
Go to my face.
This you?
Yeah.
You too cute to be acting like this, shawty, no cap. What you, 18, yo? You in Chicago?
I'm in Atlanta right now.
Yeah, when you gonna be back in Chicago?
Next week.
Next week when?
Thursday.
Wednesday?
Thursday.
Thursday? I'll be in Chicago Monday, but
I could be down there Monday.
you said you could be there Monday?
Yeah.
Pull up Monday then.
Okay.
We'll match.
Rashad, I got the shrooms.
Oh, no cap. I haven't had shrooms yet, but I want to try the shrooms, no cap.
I want to try some shrooms.
Show me this you for real, though. Like, look, let me see the hair or some shit, though.
My hair's straight and dyed right now.
Oh, you catfishing the fuck out of me right now, man.
Look. It's halfway straight.
Alright, let me get your number then. You gonna let me get your number?
What?
You gonna let me get your number?
No.
Damn, tight shit. Let me get your gram then. Yeah, I'm over
Okay. It's linked to my TikTok.
Say it though.
CHAE.
AE.
J-U-E-L-Z.
Alright. That's it?
It's private, yeah, but it's private.
It's private. Okay, accurate. Okay then, so this you for real. Okay then. What, this your spam, IG?
Let me see. Oh, no, that's my main.
That's your man?
There's another one that's my spam.
But I just requested. Accept me right now. Accept me, I just requested.
Okay. You say please.
You doing too much. I ain't saying no please.
Okay.
Okay, accurate. This you for real? Okay then. You cute, I ain't gonna lie. I ain't wanna get catfish though. I'm not trying to go out like that. Yeah, you valid. What you rate me 1 through 10?
I can't see you.
My screen,
No.
I just added you on the ground to my gram right there.
It's because my high focus isn't looking.
Damn.
But you fine.
Valid.
You're fine.
For real?
I mean, like, fine.
Ooh, gotta take a sip of that. Appreciate.
What is that?
Oh, I didn't answer that. Crown and apple juice. Crown Royal Peach though. I put you on. That peach be bussin'.
I only drink Pink Whitney and Hennessy.
I used to be heavy on the Hennessy, but I had to get off that shit. Or I came up to Wisconsin for college and shit. And that Crown just grew on me. That Crown bussin'. I could drink whatever though, but I'd rather prefer that Crown. Bet I got you on the ground. I'm finna follow your TikTok too. You kinda cute. Bet, hey, slide to Chicago Monday. Even if you slide early, they'll slide Monday, Tuesday or some shit. I'll even drive back up there or down there. You cute. We got a link. We gotta get on the stroller and shit. Okay then. Yeah, get on. What? You acting all shy and shit on the camera.
I know, cause a lot of things.
Yo.
I had the munchies and like I had chocolate and it's all on my face.
Yeah, y'all feel that the munchies do get a bit. Man, I was eating so much hot chips the other weekend.
But when I ate the hot chips and I got a cake.
Oh yeah, you was going in. I'm already knowing. You was going in. Alright, what's your type though? Tell me what your type is.
Like in what? In cakes?
Nah, in dudes.
Oh. I like brown skins, dark skins.
You said brown skins, light skins?
Dark skins.
Oh, brown skin, dark skin. Okay.
I mean, I guess, like, you have to be like a certain light skin.
Wait, what?
If you're gonna be a light skin, you have to be like a certain kind.
Type shit. Okay.
I like Dominicans.
It's
I'm Dominican.
But you
I
fuck.
like Dominicans.
Okay.
Cause I'm Jamaican. But I don't want to date them.
Yeah, I'm talking about for a dude you a date. Like, alright, let me restate the question. Alright, like, give me the different characteristics and apparent values of your dream nigga type shit.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, like you could paint like you could create it player, create your dream husband.
Okay.
Boom.
I like you, you're fine.
Appreciate it.
Okay, so my dream nigga. Can I have 2 dream niggas?
Yeah, give me 2 on there, it don't matter.
Alright. Okay, so let's see.
Pause. But before you know, if you fucking with me though, it's only one nigga type shit. That shit dead. If I was talking about two. But
yeah, you're my dream.
Oh, so I'm one on type shit?
Yeah.
Okay, I fuck with that.
I was trying to describe you, but I didn't know how.
Alright, give me the other dream nigga though.
You.
Me and me?
Yeah.
Might as well make it 3, me, myself, and I. Okay, I fuck with it. I fuck with it. What's your red flags? That's cap as fuck.
Oh yeah, okay, yeah. I always fail in the first month.
Fail in what aspect? What you mean you fail?
A talking stage.
Like how do you fail though? You cheat and shit?
No, like we just get in arguments.
About what?
I don't know, stupid shit.
Okay, how do the arguments get brought up though? You start the arguments?
No, he starts.
Oh, you just fucking with some lame ass niggas then. You ain't gotta worry about that. What you feel you need to work on? Like
About myself?
Yeah.
My mental health.
Okay. That's it?
Yeah.
Just your mental health. Alright, so what values do you bring to a relationship? If me and you was to actually start talking for real, how would you help me, you know what I'm saying, become a better me? I'm already on my grind and still just working. How would you make me, you know what I'm saying, like make us become stronger type shit?
Squeeze bumps. Squeeze bumps.
Squeeze bumps.
Yeah.
Like pop pimples?
Yeah.
I'm dead. My ex used to do that shit though. I miss that shit though. I be having to pop my own pimples. Bet. Okay, but what else? You can't just be popping my pimples.
I massage.
Okay. So you catering type shit. I'm gonna just ask like little small questions then. You know how to cook?
Yeah.
What's your number one meal? Your favorite meal to make?
I have to think. Oh yeah, Flisss.
That's a Spanish food?
Yeah.
It got meat in it?
Yeah, it got you could have any kind of meat.
Alright, I got a valid question. Would you give up meat for me?
Yeah, no.
No?
But I'll give up chips for you.
But not no chicken, pork, beef.
Okay, maybe. I love chicken.
Alright, how about this? How about you give up all the other meats except for chicken for like a year or two, but then eventually you give up chicken too though?
No.
No?
Would you do that if you love chicken?
Yeah, I done gave up all meat. I'm vegetarian now.
Okay, I'm gonna go vegetarian with you then.
You would? You just saying that because you want me to woo, or you've actually been genuine with me? You'll actually give up meat. You know what I'm saying? I ain't saying you gotta give that shit up tomorrow type shit, but we gonna work on like leaving that shit alone. You gonna actually do that?
Yeah.
100.
I merged that.
Merch. Okay then. I fucks with it. Yeah, we gonna have to link. You done passed my test. I done asked a few questions. I'm fucking with it. You kinda okay then. Bet I'm finna text you on Instagram right now though. And then hit me up when you get back in Chicago. Damn. Hold on, let me go to your shit. I'm gonna text you right now. Hit me when you back in Chicago, and then we could, you know what I'm saying?
Okay.
I'm gonna text you your future man right now. I'm gonna put the maybe the whole time, cause we don't know for sure. We gonna link and see how the vibe be. Bet, but yeah, I fuck with your vibe so far through the little monkey call. We gonna see what else pop off. You feel me? Alright, be smooth. Don't get in no trouble now. For sure. Look cute out. She is kind of cute though. I seen a little IG and shit. She is kind of cute though. We got 2 of them motherfuckers on this bitch. So damn, that nigga ugly as fuck.
Don't worry, I'm here. I'm here now. I'm here to save you.
I don't judge niggas cause I can't say like you know what I'm saying. That nigga, I make ugly faces too. But that nigga ugly as fuck though. That was funny as fuck.
Let's see your ugly face. You talking about we ugly? Let's see us. That's ass. Let's see ass, bro. Nah, one more time. One more chance.
Damn, y'all got mine.
It's my shit.
Oh, is it flat? I thought y'all got mine. I don't even know how to like. I thought that shit was ugly as fuck.
You can call him Tua for real.
I don't even know, bro. I don't know how to make no ugly face. Oh, my shit just died. No.
What just died?
I got my baddie with. Alright, hold on. Let me see if that bit work out. Hey, y'all on YouTube right now?
Yeah, I know you're on YouTube. Oh, hell no. Now, what's your YouTube?
One Flisss. It's the same as the little shit right. It's the same as the shit right there on the little
Yeah, we see.
Yeah, I just
This nigga got 36.1K. That's actually crazy.
Yeah, man, we trying to get to 50.
Lord have mercy on me, bro. You cannot.
We trying to get to 50.
I'm gonna subscribe.
Okay then. I'm trying to run into some cute females.
Shit, almost forgot.
Yes, sir. Okay then. Five shit. Okay then. Hey, when I post this video, y'all comment under this bitch so I can know who y'all boys is. Get y'all info and shit. Y'all funny as fuck. Where y'all from?
Alright, see you later, bro.
Where y'all from though?
I'm from Minnesota. Yeah, Minnesota.
I'm in Wisconsin. That's not too far, cause I just met this little cute little bitch from Chicago. I'ma link with her though and shit. Minnesota. I do some shit in Minnesota, then y'all boys will know.
America.
I did. I got a video. I did a vlog. I went to that bit my freshman year in college. I'm a senior now, like 4 years ago. That bit hard, but I'ma go back to that bit though. And then if y'all boys at Mall of America, I'll buy y'all boys some shit. So.
Oh, bro?
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm gonna make you bankrupt, boy. You wanna go?
Hey, we get to 50K, I got y'all boys.
Alright, we see you later, bro.
Alright, be schmoon. Okay then, little woot, you feel me? Little woot. Oh, I thought that shit said 4 miles for a second. I was finna be geek. What's going though?
What's up?
Chilling. I'm trying to get your face. You can come a little closer. I can barely see your face and shit. Oh shit, all y'all to be real.
Why did I do this? There's 3 of
There's 3
us.
of y'all, all 3 of y'all. I can only see 1 of y'all.
I said this.
Can all 3 of y'all get more into the camera?
I'm in the camera. Oh, you ain't so.
Come closer.
I'm the ugliest one. I'm just sitting. Yeah.
Wait, how old all y'all are?
16.
16? Damn, never mind. Y'all can stay back. Damn, bro. I thought y'all was over 18. Where we at? Damn, we got another long ass monkey video. But hey, you know how that shit go. Hey, you pulled that. Hey, that was smooth as fuck, bro. Do it again. Pull that bitch out again. That bit was smooth. You struggling to put that bit back in though. That's funny. Where you from? Canada?
Yeah, I'm Canadian.
That's hard. I'm in Wisconsin. That's what's up.
This is 100% American. 100% American weapon. Listen, Springfield, Point, MA, United States of America.
From Illinois. That bit from Illinois. Okay, then. That's hard.
Wait up, dog. I'm gonna show you something.
Alright, bet. I'm looking.
1918. Okay, this shit's from World War I. World War I. Can you fucking believe it?
Hey, show Shotty real quick. World War I. WW1, bit.
It's right here.
That bit pressure.
It's right. Look. It's literally right.
So it's an artifact. That bit an artifact. You better not let that bit break.
That's an antiquity. And there's another here. Wait a. This one is a double shotgun.
How much you think they cost?
Don't fucking know. This shit was to my grandfather's.
Oh yeah, don't even sell that shit.
And here it's I just take it out because it's broke. It's right here, man.
Tight shit. That's
it's whole ass fuck. 1918. It's even right on the barrel on the shirt.
That's tough. I ain't gonna lie, that's tough. That's tough.
Are you sipping lean?
Nah, it's some good drink. It ain't no lean. Don't sip lean.
Nice. Well, I mean, you can do it like sometime, but not every day.
I haven't even tried it. I don't even want to try it though. I be good with the alcohol and shit and wine.
Where the right here.
That bit pressure. 1990. Yeah, I see that bit. That bit pressure.
That's a 12 gauge.
Double shotgun. Four. Blow a bit back all the way out.
And this shit here.
Oh, my shit went dead again.
Look that shit.
Alright, bro. I'm gonna catch you, bro.
Alright.
Be smooth, bro. I'm gonna try to run into one more female, then I'm gone. Damn, I don't got no more light, though.
That's what I'm saying. You could take this shit off. Show your natural.
Oh, Shawty kind of look a little valid. Yeah, show your natural shit, though. Damn. Hold on, let me turn I gotta use all my lights that went dead on my...
Where the fuck is you sheeping at, G? Like,
I'm here in college.
There you go. You smart. DJ Khaled voice, you smart. But how old you is?
I'm 19. I'm about to be 20.
Okay, valid.
That's crazy. She about to turn 20 in 20 days. Talk about it.
20
I
days.
said less than 20 days. My birthday's on the 25th.
Tight shit. Titties all in the camera, bitch. Boo, 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 boo. Boo, 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 boo. Oh yeah, yeah, we gonna get a couple more. But hey, rate me 1 through 10 though, Shawty, not the nigga.
Use a 10.
Tight shit, that's genuine though.
Yeah, I like my dark skins.
Okay then. Let me get your what I want.
Add me that and I'll text it to you.
Let me get your Snapchat. What?
I said add me back and I'll text it to you.
Add you back what?
Make a new Snapchat. I ain't gonna lie, my Snapchat just got banned 3 days ago. They locked my shit permanent lock. Oh, I was so fucking mad. I was so mad.
Yeah, that's the hex. That's the hex. Let me get your IG then.
Alright, I'm good. I got you.
I'm trying. Peanut face ass. Yes, sir. It's your boy One Flisss. Hey, that's the end of the video. You feel me? Tight shit. We gonna end that bit right now. Oh, I thought it was a female. Well, oh, right there in the back type shit. How old you is? Oh, she kind of cute. But that's it for the video, know what I'm saying? Subscribe to the channel, get a video like, all that. We got the content coming. Yes, sir. On the road to 50K, and we gonna keep going. Grrr, we out. I've been trying to get the guap, about to make it to the top, and they wanting me to stop. Like, I've been staying in that mode, trying not to do the most, and the cut just like a ghost. Like,